Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Because ya le yo toto ya le yo tata wa zagba zen mi ya le yo toto egwo maro pati ebo osalobu anuga ogbina nu upe gbodo pe gbake mani bi edo mana wari owi maja tete for 2 years ama hegwebo wagwetu wagwale mata no rugwe anija lako bohani ose na wi edeni amye mu hu oge mu kango me o ido bokan ya kango me ruda wa pe egbe eme soro na wege sebe yan wa o ya zegbele e mani buma mi na ti azegbele o ya han gegbo gbegbe wa beto salopo bibi e ni gberegbere ye jo te ka wa no ga ma me ma be ga be mi egbo pe aberio ima ga mi egbo pe aberio pe na gberegbe mu jajo ije ke ona go up ona lago du e do ne wa hire wala ho okoko gbena se wa evini metana ne wa ti be nganga rie na je boy de bae abe de se ikule ya yin egbere ne abe de se oike abe de se no kai ni ha de taking bwani ni agba be ade na wa de se ni wa ike de da wa ike de no mo gbe hin gbegbe wa bere we ba de so wa fi gbo kai wu gbe jibi abore de dijo na yin by man ya when the bayati brother no rogwa me na no me ma no ma we ma no mo reje dijo na be na ya ri e ladian he la ware ma call me ma no mo reje dijo be na ya mi o he ni me na ni di efu amare no wera bi je ya baba de so why understand me. So my people wala go wa join me celebrate morikaru da pe ma gbe pe gbodo pe gbake izozo egbegwe no polugo e ba wa kokko gbo egbe hun wa la gogo wa ma ti di egbo gwa je su obo kan gbe agbo bi je me wa na kin awira me agwa kokko gbe be yan na ye gbe my mama unshakable mama one of Germany princess unshakable mama osalobo adeba mi video nu ya ka we wa kokko gba hun pa for me 2 years agwa gba wa hewe wo okoko gbe ma wa ma okoko gbe ma wa na kokko gbo ma pado bo mo ni wa iwo omo na wu nezo boya bo igba wu e o keke gbe kin iwa la jaba fa na we are celebrate of Yohana because she's a wisdom woman. No matter anything wa tajo egbe tajo megbe demi no ata no maeta jinye no ana no maena dota no ata o no maeta dota no ata no maeta dinye no ana no maena dota no ata o no maeta ale no agboma no lelu no agbo so bibi o de o gbama ho eri ma kaba ma si won na be no lie ogwa no lelu no agbon ogwe to bibi o de yes igami monica be ni je tabe mu me mu kan wa vie wa la de live video be na wa so wa gbogbe e ba yi edede asapate monica e support because oga imi abi koko gbe ba ya be mi so no be digala je gba wa igboko na wa e 2 years gbagba wa ya wa kuku gbe gba gwa run pa gbina wa na ja monetize wa na ja so arigo o ma je gi wa ba anyway we dead on ya to lohun opa ari gun wa gbe ba gutae ana gege agio wa na me magbo zobo bia egwu wa ya vela live video wa na agio akwa ebe gwa wa miamia wa na agio e o bi me egwu ina to time live video no you mean is more than 12 years ina to time live video wa ya na ja agio me imam nyo pa gwa no la jagbo wa ku je mo no gu gio ko na imam nyokpa no la dia mu gwa dota be to go ma be gi sunu gwa gbe amake yo to ne o ai bo be sunu we dagwa ana be doju gwa le be gani wala ho wa be ge mata wa igata ono na weto ise kai gwa gweri o to ga temi na wo e ma se emi no ma bege rude hatred osi na ka mu gwa be live video na we wa ga mi ma ne gbe kam no comment or no contribute je mi wo ge gbe ma gba ne every day that we ge gbe ma ran we problem yes because many me say na igbe gbe ma ran me wa call me live video ma igwa mo bogba ma ogbo ga wa me me contribute we live video ma dey atiebo itiebo erun ka ke advice e rire bete ma no gu gege ni igba la de live video ogbo gba na o ma mi no we o that way maybe a followers wera a presenter we follow yin abo ma ni gbagui wa la de live video uti ebo mo uti ebe mi yan ya nyagbon wa here comment je mi this thing that this person do, this one is wrong, this one is not good, do have a things o ga be boni we gbe no ga ladiam wo pe ani abe video no we so e come across so nu gbe adam e bono ladiam wo pe ana nu gbe abag bege mi no ladiam nu wala gogo e don e wa ire do wa here amagbe na e contribute wa ma contribute de mi ni ma ke ge anu pa se ti aleru anu pa leru gbe se advice man need maybe me we no ma gbabu ko mama eri o te keke de mi na aje eri o te keke no na aje ibe ka ma we reason guwe o mama ka mama ni no sorry be nu ya we na emma e ka ma no sorry aye we na gere o tenege chief omede keke be chief igehon keke be fosa ila ta me live video ma na yimia imia no tenege me no de we ni we gbe kole era o teme no ro ni imia true ya ti rishian ke no mu yo to cause o teme no wa de vesi giogbe ni kwa ki no wa se na awa mu ni saruta sigwe ne wa na wa 24 self awa gbe me ma kan ya du ka we bore du ma ka we bore ri giogbo imagine aga ibe we na de be fiam mi egbe mi na fiam me no 100,000 200,000 ya na mi ni go me ri are Nigeria ya na we akọ le ni go le me gbe 500,000 le me are Nigeria ye gba se ka ya 200,000 ro ya ri asan woni san ibe zegbe o iko epa daddy la egui la ya pove baba ya pove la o wuwu aje ikegbe ejo ti be so mi ogbe la ye ra be je forgive me ya pove just me peje ya gbe mo ni sala baba la ejo ya gbe ko ya gbe o de go beat me tire o ya gbe la wo baba ejo la baba gi o mete fo sawa ya pove wala wo wala ya pove wa forgive me le gbe ya kan me le ma we se ye la wo baba wala wa ya pove. So understand, so abera me yakin yeti digwe miya egehia so kwa yeti ti ebo niya egehia yes ku gba kege yeti digwe iga miya be ku gba kege seti arowinya oni marie man wa we beg mege igwegun awa ya agwegun ya ladianu egbe oko so oni wogo ni wo na go back. So understand, so nu wa lao hoko wa ge awe mi okoko wagawe mi okoko na ya ka we have your team ya ke be Nigeria nia nobody no lads apart from Etimofio Okpa sojo, nobody no support mani agwa asunare aya lobie o be aya obuge o be no Etimofio Okpa ni o wa so kedere adeje moto ni ake ne be Nigeria e moji moto ebi ma dene na sabani afejo bomu so wa ko ye mi o to be company jinedo amamie no lads no do go pe ani so amamie but I want mi oge Monica ejeme kiri gwa o kiri gwa me gere gyo wa geke o ere gyo gwa be geke a wa gwa so gwa be ja monetize le wa he gwe be gbe wa de baboka gbe me o saze uputu ma gegwe ban ebe no ri eri ogbegwe de baboka gbe me o saze uputu ma gegwe ban ebe no ri eri ogbegwe giega ebe ni se ka mejo saloba de gbe mi evitan o ma na ko na so asopọ na pa be ri ise me o social media eni a we fi agalega e o Akure Junction e o teme wa Akure mi ko ba yi Junction Tezamero Junction e ye iria o na igba do mi ko ke Monica no wa ro ma ina wa ko gbe be ri oni na wa ise me o se vio pa o se vio Junction o pa se vio Junction e ya muere você nana me gwe emi na aro bogo man wa support why do I go why do dia why do pete imagwe agbe pada o we ni meje me ti gbe pada no manogu agwa eve avie no manogu imabe support oni wa gbo ya ga agbe pada mere iro ni but a point no waro ni e me wa be tawo ni weti wala la video ma e ma na gi kare bonya go oda yena mi gi wo gba mezo egi yoge ifie noro agi ka go kian egi ogo ni ika aga igwa wa riunre na so emi ni me gba re ba be dene ne gba congratulate Monica e deni ga mi we gbe pite yo bo kan wo ya kan wo me because o ti be da kan wo me because ogi me since 2003 aga izeke gweme o but today o salobo na we na ye aragbon advice no keke na ari ene da doge a platform me beg me gi ko no matie but don't insult anybody reboot de ne ka ma ge no umna e ma is okay e bo abugbe be maru da ma de na ka se romanu de ba na junu tana amagwa ge no kwani gwata wu ore ya o ma mi we be di meje ata mi megwe ge jezi ni agbese wagbon. But today, 2003 to this time, inupono. When me gbese, ikpo saloba because a doctor poni eta mi me ri ojo ye leke. But today moragbo dene, na when ya ri ogwani ya akudio kure. Igeleze ku e no ri ave gbe na heal. Because he ekone me jeba agwa. Ogwa me akpe didi ma we suja bi yokogwa. Ege do ogwa ni ga jogu we zona industrial. Ma we am back on your tawa. So tell you me that zekele le gbe tomatoes gbe mi yaji. Bere ni. Ma wa ze ton temyogo e bo gwa vere wa de lanyore. Agwa gede gba gbedege ni ke ya jerege se ka me kun. Emi ni ya hili ni. Oke ku we ade le video do amo ebo gbe no to tage no o maka we kan. Emi na wo ma se bagbona ata. Since wa gbi me ba egwe imagine deba whatever na we ma say I will be continue to be praising Monica Agbeme. Mona they beat me. Ejo ma ogboma ivi me wayakin. Oku no ragbon. Ogboma ma gbi yen. Ege gboko we ri oni o ma pi aga e no. E wa du epopo agbo eni no gwegbe na ze nwa ni o ma ebo e no du wa ma. Wa no medo. Ebo emi no gwegbe wa ze nwa ni ma ebo no. Ijwe na kweti wese we sa ebere yare nene mi gu ogu ma awe ye gwenu yare mi go la ma o teme nu semi ya afamoma mo awuni wetin you do so nu wala o why I give me you wa so nu wa because mabugwa ma seti lo ye viun go bokpa mabugwa ma seti lo ye viun go bokpa. So my people, I bet Mona help me share this video because I use it to celebrate Monica and our sweet daddy, Niger Wash. Because he's a great man. He's the man who bring all of us out, whether you like it or not. And why I think when you bring one out, I don't give a shit. But out of my 100, you know, I hope 90 were in your Vimaladian. So what can I celebrate? Join me to celebrate him. Join me to celebrate Monica Ambrose, aka Shine Your Shine. Iya we shine o iya. Goge Monica ya kan shine. Monica ja lu gwa ni ya ga vi okin. Orin de gunye I set mi oni. Ukwe gbe de gwe mi ya na anya gbogo de gwe. Ma bege ni me sueni e na we platform me igo ala ya cat. Oni wa ya mu ewu kobu. Ewu kobu. Yes. Ya ore ya be ri ene to fu abofo agbe mo weto. So no wa la gogo wa gi ohun wa si oma ohun ma si oma na nato ohun ma si oma na nato o iwe do ne wa ire. So emi no see any nata where I will celebrate Monica. Is a great woman. Is a leader. Yes, I na get Obaseki. Bo me ni aja go e. Obaseki o Buhari o Iyan je ragbo because why he go with makeup. Kere na eye ko bewu. Ibe mu jawo ibe mu ladian. E de kin o ma igbo keke ado de. So we understand. So they be the ban when I na Buhari o say Buhari o Boko Haram o Buhari o Obaseki o but today Obaseki is still there. Buhari is still there. That is how Monica be too. Monica is supposed to be the president of social media because he's there. You know the kogwa wata. Ni meya kumusaloboa. If you one no certain no we mommy. Waiting that they talk so not true. If you not say no be true. If you not say no be true, do it like this. How can they do it like this? If you get the beggar, a money massa no larger where EJ was because a money or cooking area with milk no eti cooking may have it yoni. A meha. It's what I will live video no winya. Iyaga kokare biscuits. Go sleep. Kokare this one. Ma wa bu me di social media. We be no mojo we ne we ke adi ma. Na wow. Nu gwa ya ye ne mi rigore ofo. Ije me egbe ge amomo waje bu ke imi de waje egbe ge amomo waje bu ke imi de wa. Una no wan see the truth. Yes, so me I want see the truth. If you don't want to see the truth, I be ko ni degbe. I be ko ni gbe ma ho. E gwa dey for gra. O ko ni uwa. E o gwa je. Germany just condemn. And that person upon no job wa set joy. E bata no gba wa set gba. E po no mu gba set mu. That means it's jealousy. Igbovo me bereba. Because of an igbovo ma. Why mania? Obonopa ni. Is a diago egwan. That was Zenya Kagani at the only me where Igbofwe. Why am I not temo by the way? Ruda, I had Bokanina, I had been Yanoka, Eva him. Why you have a fellow real life video now when I tie in a van why I'm monetized, why I can bomb of the social media then. Because this join what we are joining now. Me my beggar join what who were join for our benefits. Why they give me the why they swift? Open up by me. Why gave me the done it? Why now my I can't do. I know the man anybody go. I know the tough for anybody matter. You all up by yellow jaw. Where man I go where me 100 in where? Oh me now you not go see. You not go see 100. Mati apiti manaba. Mati apiti no de. Inu magami mati no nedia. Inu magami ma 80. O ikpana do ke 30. O ikpana do ke 20. Eni ma yati abidiori ma for one. The nedia. So now no one see the truth. My people, ciao. Thumbs up, give me thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Thumbs up. Now no one see the truth. Me, I want to see the truth. The truth must come out. If you no one see me, I go swan. She not. They were not going that way at the fight for Monica. Ero agba mojwa o ni. They were not going me now ni. Ero kin agba mojwa o. Anna he. Okay, Frank Victor is coming for me today. Ja, damn you, go get to Hana ma wene. I not go block you now. I'll leave you first. I go block you. No, say I not go block. I'll let you listen to this story before I go block you. One story can't tell we can't jam rabbits. Rabbit, we all know how they do rabbit if they kill them. He get to one day the pikin can't dream say they kill her, they can't tear in chest, they can't put her for a car. Nije do that. Ona where imina ni yemina mana rule bouger. He said that women are not hearing me. Oh we hearing mina. Oh we anaba vanye we anaba yakana aka. He said na one we so jivi me. So erunya wajagu wegbe. Mi neki asun we if you live video na get video here robi me. So my brother, when I give a message now, what's your way? A deme dene here robi because message to go te mi na we me mase. Beni yeje na nia, nye me era yeje no bezuzuri ege. Meme. Ime. O se ni na we mi na me mase ita brother come we ya do. Ya block you we Victor do. Otemene kere no astama we a senior sister I we do. Wa degi ko ho Victor togbo. Wa te no se ni we for one wife follow and I don't give a shit. E Victor feed me. Ama we o ga de afia ma afia me. E be pay go gwa me. 400 o gwa ni gwa to na 450 euro ba pay every month. O gwa gba even saburu. E bilu rupa me na hina. O dare na my pay ya go neba. You go under my cat in the bay, pay Victor pay me. So for that simple reason, let's go there. So he want away because the committee will make use is sucking. So as we they talk, they go, my people. Before, because if I like to read comment now because I was so good. Yes, we move. So my ears in the cat day. My setting lobby, ni ma view go bokpa. You understand? Oti me yekin, or oti wa be arobono, je maybe arobogi me. Imayu maju watia or Juventus or Viera Vigier tin aro me aro ki me ni me agbe no ki me ye be agbe ne ni abegbe na area se ni area se o Monica obi me wa ku gba na rioza ina ya mu ebobo ijoza ina ya gbe na ri eyu kekekeke okon gwa gwa doro bi me va ko ejo ma ogboma. Fine, no, I find Sister Vivian. If you remember, we just get better, Mama. Now, true, my dear, that's a jack, my son. I work bobi meme okpuno je magari amewa orote bie so nwala o done wahire wa call the live video ma call with respect amwe bogboma o ma mi wa ma ni gbagwi o ekena na tie bo no ma maybe wa ga enia if you my mobile ladian de doro wie okpia na oteme akami we obe no kwebe no ye ya do how many weeks o ma say yo short ogbeda month. Okay, do go on. So okay. So when my deba no wala wa call ye live video ma because odugu gan ya attempt ma apart from where a prodani egbe maran odugu gan ma na gbo ya attempt ma abe ikonu we gba ge na no wa pe na ya ka pelele eri man ge social media president ya ka pelele didide padamo to te bo gije Okay, no that stopping ya we giro bi yana. Wa je mi obi ele je mi 1000 mi 2000. No gija gbina na we do wa bure o ya mi matofo. Wa mi obi je mi 1000 be nu wa gizu da se ki ka be call we follow se so. Ya o. Neri manager kan ya we ye ki agbina na mu ye ki mi matofo wo kwa. Oh, give me 1000, 2000. Get one like the boy message to ije boy. We boy for. Why here go arieba? Why you can pack we boy go when the speaker? Erugba just here. Erugba be po bole lo tele no ro na. When we know he. Oni. Ami na ya pe gberu de ameni me boy gba won ni. The Bible ni ma boy na ju kan to. You understand? We to am. Hono ka na ro wi me ase akwe ya gbe be kwani ye keni anati ezo ni anati eso wa ni anogwe bo we odo ka gwe ko fi ogwaju wa ma ya gbe ne noku o sei no egwe lare ne noku obokun gwe ga anu a ogwe nu gwe gwa magun ajo na obokun ti ona bi obokere na ogwe o gwe ru dagi chichi leledo disi leledo gbe ni ja moma ni ya ba ma o gebe ke no to taji emi na we e be no egwe okay elele do no chichi ni ka egwe awo soya emi na wo ma se no ta ogwe dem no gba eba oko na gwa fi ogwaju a obira o bi je e social media ya na mbi gbebe no gbebe bege but so na iwo gwa bo no gbe pa bore nugu na gbe no ma pa eva eri aka no o ize balomeno da mana be balome ibe se igwa ge. Yeah, if you will not be momo. Beni me jena, omonore 35 years now, or wa jena. Asia we do arovije. How any ya? Inwe wizi ni wa be on. O kwa baba we. Akwa ba e we bo ma jena na. O mi no we. Police arrest 2 fights so fa ma gba ma wa. I better man osajuwe ni ojuwe. Yes. So Monica is the leader. He still remain the leader. You know why? When we not say no na remain the leader because okoko gben wa gbe was it gbe okoko gbe ona je start je fit oge. Ona je leader. Because oga me so gba gbe be ya le la wa ne oga me no me le la wa ne. Iri ebe tan. Ile so kwa iye na je mutia grigba ogu wa setting etio salobo because even no salobo dedicating yeji bun ya ma wa gbon yeje na wa setting kun yen yibo. You see the difference no rock kevi make ebuwa. Many people no teji win na ye gi win because here ni go ni am with social media ne here gi winner they never drop it winner. Because he beg a mess again, me at the live video, at the go wako, na work at the front corner, na again, a dead bay in a live video. Oh, we have altar. They are in live video. So that means many of you now, what you bring when you turn there because, hey, when the media will be so, what say $1,005. How many $1,005? What can you do with live video? Yeah, we want me a severio. What can you do? What can you win winner car? Is a winner. So, live video none of your or of your bell work. Agmon where, but this woman don't owe that boy. What when you are not born like Jagume? Need the F4 manari. I tell you, 54 years old that I be young person before. Or walk with you. Agbon e mona give me the person name. Need the F4 manari. No soon budo. John Nenemi sebe ka eta na ma asa de na ot ka go. Na ma asa de won Monica to gbo e keke mu me. Were we F4 ma. Nyebo kwakwa ele. Where we from Johnny. Wow. Johnny noji imada maji ovieli tan. Wa ball like work with. Oje nita. Ire we for abane. Iju esun ugwe dene wero wa na mi no daji. So as we are communicated with you people, we have all of you should join me to celebrate Monica Ambrose, aka Shine Your Shine. Mona, join me to celebrate her because she's a strong woman. She's a great woman. She's a woman of Tikiba. She's a woman of caliber. She is a woman of speaking truth, whether or not like her or not like her. She's a great woman. She's Iroko. Yes, that is how I see her. Because what do you know? Go for 2 years. She's hero. Another person. Video no the name Monica Warazo. Although you know myself now. Now Monica, most of you will take command. And when you, if you not do live video now, Mona, it better so no then. Here we live video man in 9 or here 8. Now you know. Oh, Monica was your man will bring up with live video. Old friend. Where me man will viola the live video. Oh, Ibiri, no? Yes. Without the don't make a man so live video na very major me 1,000 viewers there. Because he made when Matoma then where Matoma they are zaza. He have a zaza so basically I made 500, 600, they didn't make me yourself. But when you say go make up where ya don't need Monica, don't put the Monica, my Monica ya agua. Ya don't put no ya in many day, but Monica did not beg me to join her, and I did not join Monica. E si na ru eva commit wa gbarun opa George Meladia. E si na ru eva commit ana do ke na ya gbarun opa. So if you know the Meladia, e ga anikin. So nu wa la o. God bless you, my sister. You understand? So I matter no reme wagiata. Wari e bugwa je show ko na we akwa go wize ma wa gbebe nya na kege ni ade. Ebi ni me wo no ni ya la dia ko. Ma ya wa zenyaru pa. Bo ri sunu ma. Emi tele na kina ni ha. It's a shame on my part. Everything was like Monica, you the crazy, you the man, you are gbogbo cigar. Monica, go and bring DNA test. Monica. Hey, Monica Kabitam, one way, on DNA test. At that fear, we on DNA test. Why are you? Oh, have a second. I we ever that fear with you, like your Wamaje home, Babu, yeah, oh, who go by your way? Well, I go by your walk. Emmanuel, I get show you a social live video. Or I give a show if you want. We live video, and you can't wait DNA test you. Why I wear? Why my DNA test that what my DNA test did. Now I got me hojeme. Niruwe baby no I beg wow. One the DNA test. A DNA test guy, they were carrying why and what's here. I'm a beg wow. Eh? Well, I go tell the cat banner to me. One moment, destiny, no be a back. One moment, social media was so very. What's here? Why, Weber, Uko say I saw very value big bay. What can you to all Latin life is every time? David died, born Latin. While I go. Because moon, but with the better dear boy Latin, now would say with the baby I got picture of her. While I go, was a man, eh? Eh, to what be none. As for me to what be none, who are very repetition, the repetition, what a repetition near Daphne. Which is very bad, it's not good. No, walao, I be telling you, what you make money, social media, naga guitar, walao. Here get to what like I want not do, but what say, what is with ye? Why am I swing ye? Even I know you were died down. Why, where? If I was so when on lads, no do sage, Ian women, and no tie, while I was saying, was here. Egeni ya na ahonya na wegbe wagia wa egbe wagia egbe wa setu ezeno as far as we man ezo ka ewi ya egbe ne bezo walao wagima egbe wa se e destiny me go pa no ade la video do tambo we eri ona eri ki wala agugo agbe de zo phone ezo wa egbe gbedo amunyu were mu ma abati we di ogugweja me me no nwinu gbe na we di ogugweja abati uwe egbe di ogwa wesa etu gwe ni no ye no fe ni we ya kavese obi o kan kere ode tu gbe 38 years de dere o ke ma ti o mi me etu ni we ya gbese kave irritator ma gbeso about what be your problem now who am ye Monica ukokokuri enyahu who am ye destiny ba kokokuri enyahu who am ye ruwa ukokokuri enyahu who am ye Timothy ko gwopa ukokokuri enyahu who am ye ogo pase kino ro we ze mu nya na bu wenya we na bigo we he gwe be a politician we tebu we he we face a politician we nu se mani kaya nu si mani ni gbalamana he abe ti ogwe na bat abe na mi wa do agwole lati what is your problem ma like to gbe ye na bat we do agu egun hello come on iyan odo ire live video okay.
Monica ke me ro wa la me de destiny ya mwe ya ye abu ngda ni bonia ya agoyogoro ni social media.
Okay, abati gbodiwa.
Ojo ni na wa gwanyeru wa la me Monica ke Monia ma bia ni ya we ni ado ari ti ye de re. Iya na fuji ya me ngda ni ya Monica reference social media ni wa ye ni ro wa la ya go. Destiny ya wa mwe ni ya ni amubi.
Nezogi jafona when ya egwe bo. Understand je?
Mama.
When ya egwe because more na yata more the problem yare.
The problem not he oriavo toga sungu oriavo efaga la ye.
Ise.
Get this la ye go we go when na goriavo ni sana. Wa go when na goriavo ni sana na I didn't know really I want ya body salad when you go the party no going the platform of a the movie material. If I the movie can cover shit. I walk out when I go well I will white and as all done a bona. While when I don't let me I total even in me yes. Anyway, 7 also know where the 1 year way or says on I saw. I'm when you wala ya attacking early night do I want to beg you know hey attack okay do attack way you want no
ala wala when you are when is off oh ana zole abati ge ta egwe when abati egwe
mama mama oh now ya bati ties so about bless say we no continue no time you know why you want to nana you like they say where you don't do that or say where only one bit you are with me no agbe egbere party ya you no agbe na we no kuni ka ege eni gbebu abeni gbebu no when it here responsible you know eni no care na igba ne ko say lele o ha here won this stuff
iya robi me banana ya gbe bi aguta wo si epo le lo bo ka ke eji wina eya na gbe disi oge no gi yo manager ona we your manager sago oge star eya gbi me bana
you know okay mama when you the reason no see any about na baby nani was that you want to know the reason why Destiny did that to Papa Waila or Destiny were you thinking that Iru wala gini ya ki wela tia ero wala kalu ye ku wegbe ne ya ame we no na le ki picture we no send la tia on you say na bati na mo me ni la de why did you do such thing to your friend we want to know the reason why and what happened or come out and apologize because you are really wrong because it gave Papa Wala 70%.
Yes.
Why Destiny was giving 30% of this issue. So Destiny, you cannot just hide yourself. Come out and apologize because you have done a big thing, man. The same thing you did. The same thing you did to Monica. Why is that your own wife, Edward, is the one that bring out your audio?
I can't
come out. Yeah, you did not come out and say something to the world that I'm really, really sorry for what happened. Monica, I'm sorry. Let this whole fight go down. I'm so sorry that it was my wife that brought out my audio to the world. So, Mr. Albert is going to be writing that. Yes. Everything will die down.
But we're sure Destiny de la video do apologize we sure.
After all, mommy, a live video about you. We are in a way Destiny. No, I mean, not the by. I we are in a way you were not here. It's all wrote on for 2 years. No more for you know how or yeah, will know how way. Yes, now. Everybody knows, yeah, that's a Destiny of our Madame way. Oh, I must say, what are you going
but okay, to pay to give money to social media people to be useless human being, to be useless person like you. Hey, me not bad. Me not buy ye.
That was not right.
Mama Yati, Mama Mudia.
I really appreciate Mr. Albert.
Good. Yes, Mudia, Mama Mudia Yati, Mama Mudia Yati.
Another part of audio, Another part of audio, Mr. Albert. You know what I say? Where's my brother? Where's my brother? If I devote your hair to make an away, I'm here getting yellow yet. Oh, yeah, Monica, where also come here, no, you wear West another half in like the best. Oh, you're not doing it, not scared, no time now, West of my brother. You're not being a man while I'm
yes.
Right now, what I'm trying to say to everybody is that, guys, if you know sooner is very bad. Anybody know when it's here no time?
Yes.
Here no time, no, now. Oh, we matter. Okay, my tongue will tell my sorry. And we have moved on.
Yes.
On all this on and I don't want that.
Yes, Kata, Biani Besha. No. On yes.
Why? One I want it in it. Lao Watuta. Watuta was a nere. What's a nere? I'm not even wow.
Where's my love? Where's now we give him the information. Me maho, me mother then. Again, I go one of the sun where I know where video girl. You made the where we name. Mother son, next of four. So where's my love? Where's my love? Nicola. Hello, ma. You're Joe double. Call.
Oh, Mama, Don Vincent. Block it, Don Vincent.
Okay.
Why spy the comment block it?
The name igual.
Okay.
How are you, Don Vincent? Don Hussein? Don Vincent. I'll dig you. Don Vincent, a fake account. Wow. Okay. So as we talk about image video where you when you are you were or the mess no ga robi we and now we are about to give you una or say now we have a revenge have a reboot no where we matter na me mege o ti o di busa haru but what we gbe Monica o se no hu gwe na je mu me because gwa lo tete mi wa ka edu ere gbe wa o se mi mana me gwa lo toto gwe na we lo we ve yo ni baba na e ga wo veri o pia no mo ko gwa eri agere mo su gwa na be am togoku odo e gwa wo teve no kwa be bo ya wa koko gbe na we not leave them o izin abo mi no ji me gbi na neno mi no ji me sikobo kan ni e bo ni le gbe na bugbe abugbe we gaka ni agwe alelo nene ave video no gwagwa una eri ori agwa ya do ana eri ovie magboto ma mo Charlie Brown adie live video ma mo Oliver adie live video ma mo DJ Jeff adie live video aye money ni cassette zunu ji don reach many people we no go fit make ma do zazin awa live video o ma ene different things na evane abo gba na said we audi ku e bo Italy we dene na tu awe party nu gene we akwemi god we aleva lo pom salopwa anye no gide to afi ebete me mai va to liva omare oviere ti wele omare ameni nwa gba bumedo ni ifati amare because again onyo what understand o se biere ne party en Nigeria na eko we me aka we gbe we birthday mania Nigeria ka gi na we gi oge ma because we go no we talk gbe umi kobo me pe ni ogi me 1000 tiri mi but na we birthday ra me na me 14,000 something 14,800 mi bi we bury ra me anega di mane ma very oni but gi we birthday bi me gi yo mane na me $1,300 ego ni me ya sukmo keke kuma abu ni me is more than €1,000 ni lo ya de ni wa ya mo gbe ogbera so wala gogo wala ijera me bi je meja nyu gwa waga temere kere na hebwe po because waje enene tin ene gwa gbi na di 2 years din ene gwa mamie we so ko we jun ka na ebo ata so je dedo na magi ebo no gwa buje mere bu ogwa bi o ma yore no ja o egwe agwe Monica wa go down now Monica wa go down now e di agbega won ado gbeku wa enu na gbeku wa bu ogwa ayin no gbiyan wala gogo wa o gwa go ba dole doji gwa ga itemere kere gwa hewe ikabeta ba ezinya ifanana matan ezeman gwa gya ja mu magboto na gi kunju hu unu gwa gi kunju hu gwa na because etika hu akun eji one here ifa we two a video ni aga wi ewe gbere gba gba they never talk your matter 3-4 times because you go expire ne iya be mo bo gbegweta we be nu dia go give my ma ya win anu they talk at that time na wa ga matter iya ba win na ji go we ni ne iya igwa e ma so mare la video amozo ge €50 je kina we kam gwagwa gba mi ya odrero whatever o ipe abono ko koma na fian na fian gwa ko gbere yinbo wa gbere iwo ije ki me do celebrate you again Monica and Bruce aka Shine Your Shine ije ki one of the universe ije ki 20 billions ije ki million billions. I celebrate you are a great woman or what davegi erugbe bi ju wera gbon ni adogo po ma ni abie ni adogo po mo ni abie Salobaji we gbe bi me jemudia egeti fuwe Salobo egeti fuwe unweni ka o ya fefefe egeti fuwe why we no say netiki na eti fuwe because oge ya gu we kon de mata ya gu ogi we kon kedere ade we dene no na oge ni u set it day o si e oji ari ogwoma ede igbojire ogbeta wa vi otok dukun wa na mi ye ke ya ti e boji no do vi mo to vi mo kun wa na mi go tobukun ega otobukun igiamu wa tojinari we eroba na wa ojina wa la mo gwa eroba mo wa mu wa ti e bo yo to gbe bete bi na oji ma vi o we na do attack e bai degba wa ga temata wu enyo paro do ke aja wu because u mate mata wa ni bu gba je mata go makian hello 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 Tita lote la de mani geme na ko. Be nu koli ni nu gweja ki me wasie koto fe dan me mi ro pabodo wa na ti gumegun. Una dan me oni wo seti gumegun. So my people na maka be na eta se utane di na mi bo ma do tie ABD because it the naming ceremony or whatever. So we go see body pass for the see body na respect day. Monica, I celebrate you once again. I celebrate my daddy Niger Wash. Happy birthday to you once again. We do po bakpo ologoma. Eyin lawe gberi so wawe. Emi no ma bonuri bakpo na. Upo be no gbe gbe mu hebe dagbon we na. Emi no ma wa meja mo soto yigo omo igberame. Uguje ti, uguje zo, uguje mi ameja mo soto. E uguju uguja mo soto iri okan ajebe ni Jesu Christi no mi amafan. Ise Monica Ambrose aka Shine Your Shine. Ijeki 1 billion. Jogwe agbele hiawe. Don't shake. Shine your shine. That your shine, they shine now. Because my sorrow, abukpon we jok kwa last 3-4 years. We are the viewing ye na ogbe ogwa. Ogbe. But they are live video presenters. They cannot avoid what you have already avoid, my dear. So nu lao. Nu je. Hello? Hello? Which kind wish be this one? Huh? That one go get me mana. Go ya Adam e television. E igwe nu see koto, see ogwe koto do na call. Just tire. So when matter de ban aveteni gan. La go we me no me get if we salo boaru ejeke ni ka ru ejeke. E die bode wase oru ejeke. E di ono jare gbe agbo ma kweku emi na wo ma sagbo ma ba e yaro wejeke. Wọ́n bí me e se ke mi ro pa wu e o to eje udijigwe o be kejo udijigwe o be kejo o to ejo odukunjo wọ́n mweti nya salobo anuga e mata we ata okoni ate utoge gberu toge because if em yokpagwe ogumuze na makpagwa muzere half izamure gumae o matama wege half izamure oko beni meje mo ije boy una game ni ya vie mi bo dogo ma ina se na vie oko e na ebe nu ya vie ya we still happy about it ije bi agbejo we say ije bi agbere left me wa luga no go ma ve etale o luga no go ma ve o si e mi keni na mi jobo because e mata wari una de baro na me ba me agbejo be no wa ori me baro wo wa because he we a sweat we e we ya do any me so he must to appreciate wa no awete me diga Ambrose may all of na join hand my followers wanna help me they pray for her. Monica Ambrose, she's a great woman, she's hero no matter how you people will take it. Do what we hero was stopping the white emoe. If I me ana hero. As fast every day, emoe why so why yore. She's hero. She's a leader. Nobody can take that leader from her. Yes. She's hero. Oman wo white wa big. Okay, last year we were a na wa dey from January to December. Monica, God will strengthen you. You are a great woman. They use your sweat to eat. Yes. Anybody no get TV Monica ne. A page na pay 1 naira na pay 2 naira. It's a sagging. Yeah, funny. It's sweating ya wayare. No get sweating ne. Another pain when you have a platform you are eating with their sweat. Yes. You are using their name. Anywhere you load. When a matter after wa vie. So video the wa be una yen wa laja do soldier and wa tubu. O wa tubu. Yes. Why I say o abe teme ni ga be love us me. Abe money yen egbe ni yen no ma. Why you subscribe to Iledo Talk Show because I really like you to my cohiane, my cook back here. Why we follow a page now? Why follow a page now? Do traditional talk show. Follow the page, my people. Follow the page. You will enjoy my video. Even now when you're like every man when me. It matter was so now when I bet Latzia. So my people, I love you all. We see body. Pass for the see body.